Yeah!
Oh my God! Nasabay sabi mo, game na. Justino, unloading, nagpapasikat. Nagpapasikat. Last 40! Trabaho! Buwarang!
You wanna coach told me to sparm, so I have to sparm. And then today's the last day of sparring because we're gonna change to a new boxing gym. Yeah, we're gonna change to another one. I'm not sure where it is, but it's like 5 kilometers. There's any time over there. It's we spar for 3 minutes, but the actual fight is 2 minutes.
Kayo na lang mag-sparring. Wala yung magaling. Kayo na lang.
Santino? Yeah.
What's up, bro? Rogi. Rogi.
Oh, Bricks. Is that Bricks? Laban kayo sa...
Yeah. Banat, Justino! Takina, wala respeto.
Okay ka lang. Is this your first time here in the boxing gym? How do you feel? It hurts. Yeah, it does hurt. You see my nose bleed, wait lang. Bakit? No, they're really strong. The guy in the red is a content creator for FE, and he's also a rapper too. And the guy in the blue is my friend. He's gonna fight on September. "15 seconds. There's any time over there. It's we spar for 3 minutes, but the actual fight is 2 minutes. What is that? Oh, you mean put the water in the head? Also, I don't know how to explain that actually. Yo, bro. Yo, AB. Wait, why do coach put like water in the head, like cold water? Cool off. To cool off, yeah, to cool off. Their mind will chill. he's strong. I score. And the guy in the blue, he's strong. The blue guy, yeah, he's so strong. Our coach told me to spar him, so I have to spar him. And then today's the last day of sparring because we're gonna change to a new boxing gym. Yeah, Baron. Yeah, we're gonna change to another one. I'm not sure where it is, but it's like 5 kilometers away from here. I'll let you know when we move and come there. There's like a church over there. Yeah. Like going all the way there and then Maryland Church. No, it's a bit more actually. Oh really? So walking distance. No, I'm not talking about that one. There's another church over there. Where do you live? Saan? Oh, in there? Alright.
Last 40! Trabaho!
30 seconds.
Buwarang!
You wanna try? Bakit? I don't wanna score the guy in the blue. I wanna score red. Yeah, they're friends. It's just fun. Just to gain experience. We're all friends.
Hi!
Nice.
Yeah! Hello!
Malala.
Oh my God! You're bleeding, Jay! Jay, you're bleeding!
What's your name? Fulgardo.
Pulgar Jay! Alis ka dyan, Jay! Move out, Jay!
Don't stop!
What's my name?
What's my name?
What's my name?
Uy, gago! Oh, tumasik yung dugo! Gago!
Nice one, Jay!
Ay, Sanjay. Dami ko inom ngayon ah. Pangalawa na yung araw.
Oh my God! Boxing is real!
Yeah!
Nice one, Jay! Bilib ako sa tibay mo ngayon, Jay!
Iba ka! Kung may nanonood!
Ilan today?
Lala. Jay, what the fuck?
Dino!
Relax lang.
Dino!
Lale. Oh, Jay, okay.
Sobra.
Bawi ko
Ah, shit.
Okay. Yeah!
Busy ka, Jay!
Mag-wishing nga!
Oh my God!
Bago ba yan?
Nasabay sabi mo, game na, tarantado ka talaga eh.
Gago!
Sabi, bakit na English eh?
Naku, sabihin sa kanya yan.
Ay, parehas may chicks. Awit! Oh shit, the blood is coming out!
Yes! Ay.
Show me range, Jay, come on! Show me something.
Very good fit.
Show me something special, Jay. 1 to lang, Jay. 1 2 step back, 1 2 step back, and go out the ring.
Gago, meron nga yun, yung naka-stack lang dito. Alis! Ginagano, tapos biglang magagalit eh. Ikaw dito.
Rina!
Gago ka na straight!
So, Jay, gagabang ka rin. Ito, tumatawa yung mga nyo. Patay.
Okay.
Ano ang classmate mo?
Dumisa naka-red box, dumisa naka-blue box. 59.60.
Oo, parang million.
Sino? Smart. Ano, 50, ano kami, no? Lalaban eh, 55. Mababa lang yata yan. Okay, magbababa. Okay lang. Ito malupit. Malupit. Oo, malupit talaga. Hindi, cellphone ni, ano, Agustino. So, yun lang, ninig dito. Paano puro straight yan, Jay?
Oy!
Straight to. Straight to. Straight to. Show your camera. Gado. May bata dyan, tol.
Usually, G.
Kay Jay, use your job, no? Kay Justino, birahe! Kay Justino, birahe! Itlog eh, itlog eh. Ang iingay yung puno. Pang. Hey! Tanga, reels.
Pwede yun.
Pang reels.
Hindi pa nila ng caption.
Gago dugo.
Dahil putang ina, follow up punch.
Gebot, gebot. Yun, okay na. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nakat. Ato, ano. Lo, gagi, grogi talaga, pre. Lo. Ano bili mo dito, kuya?
Ano pa rin yun ang dati?
Napunta.
Gigo, Jim!
Bukan ni ini mo.
Jump, Jay, jump!
Biray.
Jump, Jay!
Uy!
Jay! Bawi, Jay!
Putang ina, tibay ni Jingin ah.
Hindi, gago namatay. Ganun.
Naka-blue box yun.
Bago, di ka ata naka-record eh. Namatay.
Tayo ka. Ito naman
Yun lang, dinabidyoan.
Okay lang yun, hindi na video.
Kay Justino, bawi. Pak.
Puta si Jay, iba na to.
Body, Jay! Body!
Maduga. Tinanggal yung mga guard.
Penalty,
Tayo ng tactics ni Jay.
Palo. Hindi ka to.
Ito naman.
5 minutes. Ay. Basta lang.
Body jump! Nice one! Isa pa?
Hindi emotional.
Oo.
Pag dumugo eh, ayaw yan.
Justino, unloading, nagpapasikat. Nagpapasikat sa kayo. Ingat. Thank you.
Go, Jay!
Meron pa isa.
Ay, hindi ko alam isa.
Wait,
Pero
seconds.
meron namin pinakita mo.
Yun nakayelo.
Wow!
Oh yeah. Ingat ka. Bag! Uy! Bago iba si Justino eh. Super Saiyan! Pam!
Nice one, G! Ganyan, G!
Let's go, Jay!
Nice one, G!
Jay, body, Jay!
Nice one, G!
What's your name? 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Okay mo. Dali ba, may kapoy partner in stats. Kinang-ina nyo. Guys, kinang-ina nyo, guys. Aray ko po.
For this gift, man, I appreciate it, and especially this farm. That was amazing, man.
Chop!
Okay, tol. Tapos ka pa talaga, boss, ha? Siyempre! Dito lang yan, sa protein shakes. Anong bestseller natin, boss?
Wild berry.
Ano, boss?
Wild berry.
Wild berry.
Matikman mo, magiging wild ka talaga.
Anong narration nito, boss? Pag-asa Imus.
Pag-asa Imus.
Sa tapat ng SB Montessori School.
Ayun, malapit sa 940, malapit sa 940, sakto yan.
Mandirigma.
Maraming mandirigma. Pagtapos dito sila magpo-protein shake. Yeah. Matsalab.
Maraming salamat, boss.
Thank you, matsalab.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Come on.